As the demand for heavy equipment operators continues to grow, so does the need to fill the pipeline with skilled operators who have 21st century skills and the ability to think critically while operating heavy equipment effectively and safely. By integrating CAT simulators and SimScholars Curriculum, heavy equipment operator training programs can effectively prepare students to meet these industries' needs. SimScholars is a turnkey training curriculum built on a learning management system that can be used in a classroom or for remote learning. As a one-to-one match with each CAT simulator's model, the program bridges classroom learning to cost-effective simulator training to on-the-field iron applications by offering a blended learning experience to learners, helping them achieve the industry's highest standards. Exercises and lessons. Each course includes an interactive lesson on the anatomy of the machine and a machine walk-around inspection lesson, which explains the importance of completing a detailed machine inspection and how to conduct one properly before every shift. The controls familiarization lesson teaches learners about the authentic CAT controls, their functions, and their location, while the kinesthetic motion instructions show learners how to use the controls, preparing them before they step onto the simulator and helping them reach proficiency faster. The easy-to-navigate curriculum guides learners through interactive simulator exercises that include how-to videos and graphics on relevant topics that range from understanding soil types to calculating bucket payload to determining the volume of material to be moved and more. These lessons are a valuable addition to the simulator exercises. Throughout the course, learners are quizzed and take pre- and post-tests to demonstrate their knowledge and competency. The questions are in many formats, including matching, multiple choice, and true-false. Learner's Dashboard. With SimScholars' user-friendly dashboard, learners can easily access the courses and their transcripts. They can also quickly find answers to frequently asked questions and add their simulator scores from the simulator exercises. This makes it possible for instructors to combine their simulator scores with their curriculum grades. Instructor Training and Dashboard. SimScholars offers an instructor training course to assist instructors develop their training programs, navigate the platform, and set up learners on the platform. The course also teaches instructors how to use the instructor procedures and the lesson guide. The platform's reporting tool enables instructors to track their learners' scores and attempts at each quiz. The robust dashboard makes it easy for instructors to access their students' reports, helping them determine their students' progress and competency levels and identify areas where they may require additional help or support. Instructors can use the filtering feature to create customized reports for each class and retrieve specific information, which can help instructors make better, more informed decisions and improve their students' learning experience. Our team is here to help heavy equipment operator training programs be successful and take training to the next level. For additional training, contact our SimScholars Curriculum specialist, who is available for both group and individual training sessions.